Hello there, Zilliqa fanatics. I hope you're doing well today. We're going to have a look at Zilliqa today. Of course, we like this project a lot on this channel. We do look at it quite a lot. It's currently ranked 77. We can see we've got a nice trading volume of 90 million, sitting at a very modest market cap of $746 million. Now, I think this is still extremely undervalued. I think this is really one of our undervalued projects. When we zoom out, of course, we did have that 0.25 cents all-time high, so we could make easily another 5 to 10x at some point in the future for this particular project. I do think it's a great time to potentially long-term hodl this particular project. Dollar cost averaging could start, around about now, really slow and steady. There's no real rush, of course, and this is not financial advice, but I just want to kind of show you what I am doing in order to navigate through these bear markets. Also, guys, bit of crazy news. Michael Saylor tweeted, "In a global bear market, there is no place to hide, but there is one place to stand, Bitcoin." So basically, MicroStrategy, CEO Michael Saylor said, even though despite the dip that we've seen, they're not actually bothering with changing their strategy. They're still on accumulation, and even though all of the selling pressure that's going on in the market right now, MicroStrategy, of course Michael Saylor as well, being a Bitcoin maximalist, he is accumulating as much as possible even through these bear phases. So what's going on with Seleka? We've got some exciting news. They've just launched the Web3 Alliance. This international advisory network will hand-pick advisors to identify projects, broker introductions, and facilitate investments into our ecosystem. That's great. More funds, more development, more growth in the long run. And we can see right here, this is just titled as Seleka launches Web3 Alliance for enhanced adoption. Layer 1 protocols. Seleka plans to access and fund more projects through this new alliance. So actually, it's very, very bullish news, adoption news, and that's really, really good for the long-term holders. So what we can see happen, basically, 2018, hit the same high, 0.23, made the all-time high this year, 0.26. Had another relief rally following the Metapolis news. We came up to 0.23, but we've just seen massive capitulation since. So I do also feel extremely bearish about the short-term price action, but in the long run, I'm still very, very much bullish. And I still think we're going to see some huge, huge all-time highs, such as, 0.4 and all the way up to even eventually one day a $1 Zilliqa. I'm that confident this project will stand the test of time. So if we have a look right now on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we've got a nice little pop-up from the RSI. We did lose the support of this ascending triangle, which is usually quite unusual because we don't usually lose the support on ascending triangle, being a bullish continuation pattern. So what's happened is basically we have just extended the symmetrical triangle itself into something that looks a bit more like this. So again, it could just take a bit of time before we actually see the movement. We need the time in consolidation, we need the time accumulating, we need the supply range. So I do speculate that we are going to get the bounce to the upside at some point. If we break through the 0.055 level, we will be coming up to a technical price target of a pump to the upside of at least 23%, guys. Taking us to about 0.069. Of course, the bearish situation, if we do play out bearish, we'll be coming down to about 0.034, where we have much more support along this level. A great entry zone to buy more Zilliqa as well. So in the long term, at the moment, I do see the trend as bearish. We're putting through lower highs continuously, we're putting through lower lows continuously as well. So even if we do get a bounce to the upside, it's going to be a short-lived one. Maybe we just retest this 20-day moving average, or we come up to about the 200-week day moving average, which is this white line here. So really the technical target is about 0.07. Then I imagine there'll be continuation to the downside. Why do I think now is a great time to effectively buy cryptocurrency? Well, if we look at the relative strength index for Bitcoin, you can see here sitting at 30. We didn't come this low for 2 entire years. This one was the COVID-19 crash, big impulse to the upside following. This one here is the Terra Luna FUD. So maybe we're going to get a retest of about 40k in the next few weeks. That's my prediction. And then we come down afterwards to the 200-week moving average, around $22,000 for the Bitcoin, when you can effectively buy more Bitcoin at a great, great price, because the logarithmic regression band here shows that we are furthermore in an accumulation range at the moment. this is a good time to accumulate cryptocurrency. And if you did accumulate in any of these green and blue times before 2020 March, you would have made a lot of money. So we're seeing that again now, guys. So if you want to make a portfolio today, make sure you use the link down in the description below. Don't wait on cryptocurrency because things move quickly in this industry. Create that account today should you wish and grab some Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. I'm really bullish long term for crypto. We're back in that 30.3k zone, back above $2k for Ethereum. It does look really good. Of course, we can still see low levels, and that's why it's important to dollar cost average in small capital allocations of maybe 2 to 3% at a time. Guys, if you're new here, make sure you also hop into the Discord channel, come and say hello, because we've got about 250 people in here at the moment, and by doing so it will also allow you to enter my $100 giveaway on this channel. So don't miss out on that as well, because the winner will be announced in just 4 days, and we don't know who that is just yet. So we just wanted to basically say thanks for watching the video. See you soon. Stay crypto safe. Bye now.